Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi LED TV P1, and today I will show you how you can change audio language. At the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down to the TV option, scroll down to the audio, and right now go simply for primary audio language. So we can change it. It's currently set up on Polish, so we can go for the English, then just go back, and also we can change the secondary audio language, so we can switch them from English to the to the Polish. And after that we can finally go back. So as you can see, it's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.